How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands naturally for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise that we are going to do, you guys, is going to be curls like this, hand curls. At 30, keep going. $60, keep going. $100 repetitions, quick little break. Now, if you're not used to this, your hands are probably on fire right now. We're going to wiggle our fingers right now. I do lots of these exercises, you guys, so my hands are pretty good. Normally I can do, if I really, really went hard, I could probably do about 750 to 1,000 reps in a row before my hands got super, super tired. Keep going, keep going, keep going. This is great for the hands, you guys. This is a great exercise. Okay, quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna do extensions like this. $60, keep going. Perfect, 100 repetitions. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.